Retrieval augmented generation redefines the bond between large language models and human knowledge. It transforms static models into real-time reasoning systems that are actively grounded in fresh discovery rather than relying solely on frozen memory, providing users with accurate, verifiable, and highly context-aware responses. This new cognitive layer bridges the chasm between static model weights and dynamic, structured, real-world information systems. Traditional large language models freeze their knowledge at training time, creating a static representation of the world. Retrieval augmented generation addresses this fundamental limitation by enabling dynamic, context-aware responses. This shift transforms AI from a system of static intelligence into a living, continuously updating engine of cognition. By pulling relevant documents on the fly, models bypass the limitations of training cutoff dates and gain instant access to new databases. Traditional language models rely exclusively on their parametric memory to answer queries. Retrieval augmented generation adds a sensory retrieval system to this architecture, retrieving live external data to ground every generation in real-world evidence and current facts, eliminating the risks of hallucinations and outdated assertions. Retrieval augmented generation creates a continuous intelligence loop. Ingestion pipelines convert raw, unstructured data into vector embeddings. A dedicated retrieval layer orchestrates access to these embeddings in real time, and the foundation model uses this external knowledge as an extended, dynamic memory space for reasoning. The retrieval pipeline operates in two distinct phases. First, documents are parsed, chunked, and indexed into high-dimensional vector spaces. Second, when a query is received, the system queries those vectors to retrieve the most relevant context, which is then fused directly into the prompt template. A successful retrieval system must understand latent user intent rather than matching keywords. Modern retrieval systems use hybrid methods that combine dense semantic search with sparse lexical matching. This ensures high precision and recall, retrieving relevant documents even when user phrasing differs from the index. The chunking strategy is the foundation of any successful retrieval pipeline. Semantic chunking balances chunk size and thematic meaning, ensuring that document fragments preserve complete context. This prevents the model from receiving fragmented, noisy, or irrelevant text blocks that could degrade generation quality. Embedding models transform text into geometry, enabling similarity-based retrieval. These models can be fine-tuned and adapted to specific domains and tasks, significantly improving retrieval accuracy across complex questions, facts, and summaries. Modern vector databases utilize highly efficient index structures to enable sub-second similarity searches across millions of documents. They also provide metadata filtering, hybrid search options, and robust multi-tenancy configurations, delivering enterprise-grade precision and secure control over data access. Context injection fuses retrieved document passages into the prompt template. The system uses rank-aware fusion algorithms and re-ranking models to ensure that the most critical information is presented first, preventing the model from losing context or becoming overwhelmed by long prompt sequences. This ensures that high-priority results are positioned right at the top of the prompt context, preventing the model from ignoring key details. Production-grade systems include advanced self-correction capabilities. These self-RAG systems automatically evaluate retrieved context quality, rephrase queries when initial searches fail, or regenerate answers when confidence scores drop. This self-aware approach ensures highly reliable and accurate inference cycles. Robust infrastructure is required to support real-time retrieval at scale. This includes streaming ingestion pipelines, incremental indexing services, orchestration frameworks like LangChain, and containerized deployments using Kubernetes. Together, they ensure scalable, low latency performance for demanding enterprise workloads. Industry benchmarks demonstrate that retrieval augmented generation reduces model hallucinations by up to 60%. It significantly improves answer relevance and factual consistency, especially for multi-hop questions that require synthesizing information scattered across multiple separate source documents. Enterprise integration patterns range from simple prompt stuffing to highly sophisticated cognitive architectures. These advanced patterns utilize agentic routers to dynamically select data sources, implement caching layers to reduce token costs, and maintain user-in-the-loop validation for critical decisions. Retrieval augmented generation is currently powering real-world applications in customer support, legal research, and clinical analysis. By grounding responses in verified source documents, the protocol turns large language models into trusted, auditable operational resources that meet strict enterprise requirements. These systems act as trusted research assistants, legal clerks, and medical advisors, providing human operators with immediate access to verified facts. From a strategic business perspective, RAG offers immense structural value. It allows organizations to update their AI knowledge base continuously without expensive model retraining, maximizes computational efficiency, and delivers domain-specific performance that often surpasses much larger general-purpose models. Despite its success, challenges like retrieval bottlenecks, context window limits, and resistance to distracting information remain. The future of retrieval lies in agentic architectures that can plan multi-step search strategies, compare conflicting sources of information, and verify generated assertions autonomously. The technology is rapidly evolving into more sophisticated cognitive frameworks. Graphrag maps structured entity relationships to capture deep thematic links. Multimodal RAG incorporates visual and audio evidence, and recursive retrieval pipelines execute deep, iterative research loops for complex tasks. Our long-term vision is a network of models that negotiate truth by retrieving, synthesizing, and reasoning across distributed global knowledge graphs. This architecture makes artificial intelligence observable, fully auditable, and continuously updated, aligning machine reasoning with verifiable human facts. Retrieval augmented generation has become the default architecture for enterprise artificial intelligence. It prioritizes truth and factual accuracy over linguistic charisma and values real-time knowledge freshness over raw parameter size. Start building your organization's custom retrieval layer today. Adopting this standard keeps your AI systems accurate, auditable, and continuously synced with the rapid speed of your organization's business changes.